everyone. My name is Kavashni. I am studying in 5th standard. Now I talk about Perundalevar Kamarasar. He was born on July 15th, 1903 in Virudhunagar, a district of Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar father name is Kumarasamy. Kamarajar mother name is Sivagami. Kamarajar discontinued schooling after his father was passed away. Kamarajar was great friend with Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. Kamarajar is the third Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. Kamarajar opened many schools, dams and introduced Meha industries in Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar is a great leader for Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar introduced midday meal scheme for all government schools. Kamarajar also called as Kingmaker. Kamarajar passed away on October 2nd, 1975. Kamarajar awarded Bharat Ratna on 1976. Thank you.
அரசு பள்ளிகள் வறுமையின்